3,000 years ago, a city vanished beneath fire and legend. Its gold was said to drown empires. Today, a crumbling parchment, older than the Bible, claims to show the way. But the map is incomplete, and the last man who held it disappeared with millions. This is not a fairy tale. This is the hunt for Troy, and the fortune that could rewrite history. Section 1. They called it Ilion. Homer called it Troy. For centuries, scholars dismissed it as myth, until 1871, when a stubborn German businessman named Heinrich Schliemann followed a hunch and a shovel to a hill in northwest Turkey. His pickaxe struck gold, literally. Masks, jewels, weapons, enough to fill a museum. Schliemann screamed to the world, "I have gazed upon the face of Agamemnon." But the celebration was premature. The layers didn't match Homer's timeline. The gold was real, yet the city was wrong. Section 2. Fast forward to 1988. A sealed crate arrives at the Berlin Museum from a Swiss vault. Inside, a single sheet of weathered vellum, carbon dated to 900 BCE. Inked in Linear B, the script of Mycenaean kings, are coordinates, a coastline, and one word repeated like a curse, Wulusa. The ancient name for Troy. The map shows a second Troy, deeper, older, hidden beneath the one Schliemann robbed. Section 3. Enter Dr. Elena Voss, epigrapher and black sheep of Oxford. She deciphers the map in a single feverish night. But the parchment is torn, half the route is missing. The other half? Sold at a shadowy auction in Istanbul for $8 million to an anonymous bidder. The buyer's name, Lucas Brandt, a reclusive tech billionaire obsessed with lost civilizations. Section 4. Brandt vanishes. So does the money. Interpol traces the funds to a ghost account in the Caymans, then nothing. Satellite imagery shows fresh excavation scars on Hazarlik Hill, Schliemann's old site, under cover of night. Someone is digging again. But Turkish authorities deny permits. Whoever is down there is breaking every law in the book. Section 5. We obtain exclusive drone footage. Trenches snake like veins across the mound. At the center, a steel door blasted into bedrock. Carbon dating on discarded pottery shards. 1250 BCE, the exact era of the Trojan War. The map was right. There is a lower city. And it's being looted in real time. Section 6. A whistleblower emerges, an ex-Brandt security contractor. He claims the billionaire isn't after gold. He's after the palladium, a meteorite idol said to protect Troy from falling. Ancient texts swear it was smuggled out before the Greeks breached the walls. The contractor swears he saw it, a black stone pulsing with faint blue light, locked in a lead case. Section 7. We confront Brandt's last known associate in Athens. She laughs. Lucas doesn't want the palladium to display it, she says. He wants to sell it. To the highest bidder, governments, cults, whoever pays to own the spark of a god. The missing millions? Seed money for a private army to extract it. Section 8. Archaeologists race against the looters. Ground-penetrating radar reveals a void beneath the trench, large enough for a palace. But every night, new earth is dumped. The site is being erased as fast as it's uncovered. Time is bleeding out. Section 9. A breakthrough. Elena Voss matches a symbol on the map to a Hittite tablet in Ankara. It describes a secret tunnel from the lower city to the Scamander River, used to smuggle the palladium during the siege. The entrance? Sealed beneath a Byzantine church, now a parking lot. Section 10. We go underground. Flashlights cut through 3,000 years of darkness. The tunnel walls are scorched, evidence of the final fire. At the far end, a bronze door, green with age. On it, the same Linear B word, Wulusa. The door is ajar. Fresh boot prints lead inside, and out. Section 11. Inside the chamber, empty. Only a circular depression in the floor, where something heavy once rested. On the wall, spray-painted in red, a modern symbol. A cryptocurrency wallet address. The palladium is gone. But the game isn't over. The address is live. Someone is cashing out, right now. Section 12. We trace the wallet. Transactions bounce through mixers, then vanish into a single offshore exchange. The final payout, $42 million. The buyer's identity is masked, but the timestamp matches the exact moment Brandt's private jet left Turkish airspace. Destination unknown. Closing. Troy fell once to wooden horses and bronze spears. Today, it falls to drones, dark money, and men who trade gods like NFTs. The city is still lost, only now, its treasure is scattered across blockchains and bank vaults. The map led us here. But the real question isn't where Troy is. It's who owns its soul. And whether history can ever belong to anyone but thieves.